Hello everyone, Paul from iDRY. Our team is excited to announce the brand new iDRY Air. It's going to be a real simple, low-cost way for you to get into the drying business, whether you're a hobbyist or you want to run an entire business. This is going to be a good solution for you. And this is how it's going to come. It's going to come on a pallet, shrink wrapped, and me and Mark are going to pop it off, show you how it looks. This is the support brackets and mounting hardware that come with every unit. These units are designed to be outside 100%. These brackets will help keep the weight of the snow from making it flex. It will also prevent any frost movement from it being mounted on the ground.